Alright, so this might seem a little strange, but I've done a video about these things in the past. And this is called a hammerhead worm. And I just found one of these in my basement. We just got a heavy rain, so it's kind of like driving the bugs out of the, out of the ground. It was literally flooding everywhere. And so insects are coming up out of the ground and running all over the place. You're looking for high ground, basically. So you do get insects inside your basement or your house when it rains heavy like that. But I'm really kind of grossed out that even one of these things could be in my house. They're very disgusting, these things. They're not like regular worms. They're almost like a parasite. Now this is a little one. These can get big. I just want to show you what they look like. I want to give you a good view in action. Now this is the second time I found a hammerhead worm by me. Now, I'm really hoping that these things aren't all over the place because they kill earthworms. I got to be careful how I zoom in and out, and because the camera that loses focus very easily. Give you perspective of how small that thing is to my finger. That's about the size of it. Very small. It's not very big. I got to zoom into it because I blocked the light. I'm in a basement bathroom. So I don't really have. But I mean, look at that thing. I cannot believe I got one of these things in my basement. That is just gross, man. That really is. They're cool looking. It's just I don't want them in my house. I don't know what. The water drove him out by the sump pump. He was over by the sump pump area. So I guess too much water drove him out of that sump pump area, and he ended up crawling around the floor over by that area. But I got to discharge them. I wanted to just show you what they look like when they move around and stuff. I know some of you might be kind of grossed out by this, but let me tell you, if you see these things in your yard or your garden, you need to destroy them. They're worse than slugs. They kill earthworms, and you really need to. They're an invasive species. So these things really got to get eradicated if you see them. So that's why I'm showing this to you guys and girls. When you see them, you got to get rid of them. Catch them, destroy them, burn them, whatever you want. Put them in vinegar or something. But that's that. All right, like, share, and subscribe.